How to find and share your referral code on GCash. Sharing your GCash referral code is an easy way to earn rewards when your friends sign up and start using the app. Here's how to find and share your unique code. Launch the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in. On the GCash home screen, tap on the profile icon or your profile picture, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. In your profile or account settings menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Refer Friends. Tap on it. You will now see your unique GCash referral code or a referral link prominently displayed. The app will provide various sharing options directly from this screen. It could be SMS, Messenger, other social media apps, and even QR code. There is usually an option to simply copy the link or code to your clipboard, allowing you to paste it anywhere you like. Explain that your friend needs to use this code or link when they sign up for GCash, or sometimes enter it after they have registered to ensure you both receive the referral bonus.